How to use your SEO audit to transform search engine rankings and traffic. 5,000 plus users trust this software to grow their businesses, proven to increase traffic by 10%. The first step of the process is to identify all of the ways that Googlebot might be prevented from crawling certain pages or sections of your site. This includes everything from blocking certain URL with robots.txt files, using meta tags, creating sitemaps, and using them properly on every page. Content audit and optimization. A content audit and optimization is a process of reviewing the current state of your website's content and making changes to improve its ranking in search engine results pages, SERPs. Speed optimization. Speed optimization is essential for website success. A slow website will frustrate users and cause them to leave, resulting in lower conversion rates and reduced revenue. An excellent way to optimize your website is by conducting a technical SEO audit. This will help you identify the areas of your site that need improvement. Brand new homepage design. A brand new homepage design can be a great way to improve your search engine ranking and get more customers. It's important, however, that you hire an expert who does SEO site audit so that the changes don't negatively affect your rankings in Google Search Console or other major search engines. Adding 3 times portal pages. Adding 3 times portal pages can help improve your site's SEO. A portal page is a high-quality, comprehensive page on your website that serves as a hub for all other related pages on your site. Revamp and simplify site navigation. A revamp and simplified site navigation is a process that will help you identify any areas of the site that may be causing problems with search engine optimization and find out what's preventing users from finding what they're looking for easily. Overall site structure. Overall, site structure is one of the most important aspects of SEO. A well-structured website makes it easy for both users and search engines to understand the content on the page and the relationships between pages on the site. Fix all outstanding technical website SEO problems. A site audit is the first step in fixing any technical website SEO problems. It's a comprehensive analysis of your website that looks for errors, opportunities, and potential threats that could be impacting your website's search engine ranking. Why is SEO audits important? An SEO site audit is important because it can help you understand how well your website is optimized for search engines and what you can do to improve your rankings. An SEO audit can identify issues with your website that may be preventing it from ranking high in search results, such as broken links, misspelled words, and missing meta tags. Conclusion. The SEO audit is the most important part of your own site optimization. It can be a lengthy process, but with so many different ways to improve rankings and traffic, it will take less time than you might think. To see how we found SEO success in our own company's marketing campaign through an SEO audit, click here for more information on our services. Read more in our blog.